This video will explore the problems line managers face daily, which the lab profile identifies before hiring and solves afterward. It will feature insights from Roger C. Bailey, creator of the lab profile. Let's look at the employee who drains the manager. This is characterized by constant supervision, repeated correction, lack of initiative, dependency patterns, and a predictable management load. The lab profile identifies this using patterns like initiation/waiting and internal/external. Employees often hear the same instructions differently. The focus is on misunderstanding, selective listening, communication mismatch, and frustration. Relevant lab profile patterns include general versus specific and self versus other. Motivation can stop working when employees who used to care become disengaged. Other focuses include praise that backfires and different motivation triggers. We use lab patterns like internal versus external and power versus affiliation versus achievement to understand this. Team friction can stem from conflict, drama, incompatible work styles, and morale disruption. The hidden patterns are revealed through LAB patterns such as options versus procedures and general versus specific. Sometimes, the wrong person gets promoted. This occurs when a technical expert becomes a poor manager due to leadership capability mismatch and hidden management limitations. The lab patterns that help are attention direction, initiative, and motivation source. Corrective conversations often fail due to defensive employees, resistance, argument loops, and communication escalation. Understanding lab patterns like toward versus away from and self versus other can improve these interactions. When the interview sounds great but job performance isn't, it could be due to charisma versus capability, misleading interviews, or hidden behavioral limitations. The LAB profile assists with predictive hiring through multiple pattern combinations and capability prediction.